Okay, so let's start exercises of the chapter 3, and the exercise which is there on the page number 62. We will start from that only. Name the following. So just raise your hand. An abiotic component of ecosystem which help the seeds to disperse. So just raise your hand. One hand is raised. Two hands. Okay, Sadiqa Shakil, you can tell me. An abiotic component of ecosystem which help the seed to disperse. I have to. Sadiqa Shakil, yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is wind.
It's wind or air. Okay, fine. And then the next question is state of inactivity and long summer sleep in some animals. Inactivity and long summer sleep. Just now, Munazza asked this question. Yes, Shema.
Sorry, ma'am, I got disconnected. Did you ask me?
State of inactivity and long summer sleep in some animals.
Can I answer, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. It is estimation.
This is estimation. The next question, the top layer of trees in a forest ecosystem where tallest trees can reach. Just raise your hand. Munazza, yes, Munazza.
Yes, ma'am. It is the emergent layer.
Emergent layer. The top layers of the trees in a forest where the tallest trees can reach. The emergent layer, yes. All animals life found in a particular area. Animal life. Okay, Nabiha. Yes. Nabiha.
Ma'am, it's flora. No,
Animal.
fauna.
Fauna. Yes.
Oh, did I say flora? I'm so sorry. I just said it wrong. I wrote fauna, but I said flora.
Okay,
It's
okay,
fauna.
fine. And the next question, just raise your hand. Well, why the hands are 3 to rest of the girls? These questions are very difficult. Yes, the layer in forest ecosystem devoid of sunlight. Afira. Afira.
Ma'am, the fifth part is the layer in forest ecosystem
Where
devoid of light.
devoid of sunlight.
Devoid of sunlight.
Yes. Which
So,
layer?
ma'am, this answer will be forest.
Quickly. Quickly.
I think it's emergent layer.
What? What? Fatma Zafar, you tell me. Fatma Zafar. Yes, Fatma Zafar. Ukasha Noman.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatma, yes, tell me. The fifth one, the layer in forest ecosystem devoid of sunlight. Quickly.
I'm telling you 1 minute. Ma'am, it is the forest.
It's forest floor, yes. It's forest floor. And the next, now the exercise is on the page number 63. Name the following, again the same exercise, like name the following. So just raise your hand, the living component of an ecosystem. Moiz Khalik, you tell me. Moiz, you tell me the living component of an ecosystem. Shafi Iqbal, Shafia, Sheikh Fidyan, Sheikh Fidyan. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the living component of an ecosystem. The name of the living component of an ecosystem.
Biotic components.
Biotic component. Then next, organisms that depend directly on plants for their food and energy. Yes, Sadia. Yes, you tell me.
Biotic components.
Next, second one. Organisms that depend directly on plant for their food and energy. The name of the animals or the organisms. Quickly.
Ma'am, first one is biotic components.
Sorry, Papa. Second one I am asking. Ammar Zahid, you tell me. Ammar Zahid.
Then
What's that?
the mitochondria,
Hmm.
primary consumer.
Primary consumer or herbivores. You can write any. Or you can write both by making slash. Okay, the next one. Animals which feed on both plant and animal. Raise your hand. It is very easy and I hope you everyone know about it. Then also hands are few only raised. Dua, you tell me the third one. Dua. Yes, Dua. You tell me the third one. Hmm? Say again. Say again.
I'm chasing omnivores.
Okay, that's fine. Your voice was not audible to me. Correct. The fourth one, relationship between two organisms such that one organism benefits and sometimes at the expense of the other. Raise your hands. Here's Fatma Zafar. Fatma Zafar. Hand is raised and then also not told.
Ma'am, should I write that?
Okay. Tell.
Okay, ma'am. So the fourth one is parasitism.
Relationship between two organisms is that one organism benefits sometime at the expense of the other. It can be parasitism or it can be predation also, because in both the relationship one get benefited and other at harm. Okay, it can be parasitic. It can be predation also, because in that predation also one get benefited.
Yes,
Anyone you can write or both by making slash. Now the next is the fifth one. The forests that are found along the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Who said I? Munazza?
Ma'am, can I tell this one?
Okay.
Afira.
Okay.
Title?
Yes, tell.
Am I tell?
Hafira was asking, I said yes. And if not, then Munazza, you tell.
The title is.
Afira, I ask you only.
Ma'am, it is
Yes.
So, ma'am, I tell this answer.
Okay, you tell.
Said.
Yes, you tell.
Ma'am, it's rainforests.
Tropical rainforest.
Ma'am, it is tropic rainforest.
Tropical
Ma'am, it's
rainforest.
tropical rainforest.
Yes, tropical rainforest. Now move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Here, n blank is a self-sustaining unit. Just raise your hand. Still, so many hands are not raised, and it's very easy. Means the chapter start with this only. The very first heading of the chapter is this one only. Vidyan, you tell me answer of this. The first blank. Yes,
It's eco.
it's ecosystem. Yes, it's ecosystem. Very good. So why people are not raising hand when you know the answer? Okay. Now the blank form the base of the food pyramid. Dua, you tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Dua, you tell me. From the base of the food pyramid. Form the sorry,
Producers.
not from. It's a form the base of the food pyramid. Yes. Dua, have you told something?
Ma'am, producers.
Yes, producers. Producers form the base of the food pyramid. Now the next one. Multiple food chains connected naturally form. Yes, Shema, you tell me. Shema,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the
Yes,
third
ma'am.
one. Third one. Yes. Shema, third one.
Ma'am,
What?
which question?
Third blank. Where were you? Arfa Khan, you tell me. Arfa. Mohiba. Mohiba. You tell me, Mohiba. Third blank.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Fatma Zafar. When I was asking you, was not answering. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I was telling.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have written, so I could not understand what you were asking.
Okay, now tell me quickly, Fatma. Yes. What is the answer of it?
Ma'am,
What's that? Hmm?
Ma'am, the third one is multiple food chains connected naturally form food web.
What is that? Food bag. Okay. Yes, correct. Then the next question, animals feeding on dead or decomposing matter are called. Ukasha.
Should I tell, ma'am?
Yes, you tell me, Ukasha. Ukasha.
Can I tell, ma'am?
Okay.
The fourth one will be decomposers.
Yes, decomposer. Very good. Now the fifth one. Moiz, you tell me the fifth one. Blank refer to plant found in an area. Moiz, yes, you tell me. Yes. What happened? Sadia, you tell me. The fifth one. Sadia,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me fifth one. Quickly. Yes.
Flora.
Flora, yes. Now choose the correct option. An example of a biotic component of the ecosystem is. Here some options
should
are
I
there.
tell?
Yes, okay. Yes,
An example of a biotic component of the ecosystem is grass.
grass, yes. And then for the next one you raise.
The second one,
Uh,
I
next, Nabiha, you tell me. Heterotrophic organisms are. Heterotrophic organisms are. Yes, the correct option is.
ma'am, should I tell?
Yes.
Heterotrophic organisms are D, both B and C, herbivorous and carnivorous. Heterotrophic
Yes, yes.
organisms are which cannot produce their own food.
So the correct
Ma'am, I was
option.
charging my phone and it between. I'm
Yes.
so sorry. It's D, B and C. Producers and I'm sorry, herbivores and carnivores. Herbivorous and carnivorous.
Okay. Yes, that means option D.
It's D.
Yes.
Yes,
Tertiary
ma'am.
consumers are. Raise
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hand. Tertiary consumers are.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, should I tell? Ma'am, tertiary consumers are animals that feed on other carnivores. No, ma'am.
Tertiary consumers.
Ma'am, it is option D. Animals that feed on both plants and animals.
Depend directly on
Because, ma'am, tertiary consumers can eat plants. No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Feed
So
on
sorry, it's
other
wrong. It is only for carnivores.
animals that feed on other carnivores.
Yes, ma'am, it's C. Animals that feed on other carnivores. Yes, ma'am, I was mistaken. I said C only.
Yes, C. Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am, Afira was correct.
Yes, correct. Now the next, which of the following is an example of a symbiotic relationship? Yes, raise your hands. Okay, Dua, you tell me.
Ma'am, it's D. Pea plant and
Yes, which of the following is a symbiotic relationship? Pea plant and rhizobium. Yes. Now the next one is, which layer is inhibited by herbs and shrubs found in a forest ecosystem? Yes, raise your hand. Few hands are raised and rest are not taking part. And these are very easy questions. You must know before before this 8th class. Like symbiotic relationship I explained in the previous classes also. Anyway, so here the next is which layer is inhibited by herbs and shrubs found in a forest ecosystem?
Ma'am, I tell.
Shema, yes, okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Shema.
Satyaka.
Sadhaka? Okay, Shema was also asking, I think so.
Ma'am, it is
Okay,
under
Sadhaka.
story layer.
Under story layer, no, which layer is inhibited by herbs and shrubs? Herbs and shrubs are included in the understory, and which layer is inhibited by them? That is forest floor.
No, ma'am, it is under story. Ma'am, it is under story.
Which layer is inhibited? Which layer is inhibited by herbs?
No, ma'am,
and
it's understory. In forest floor, the layer it has fallen leaves,
Listen,
and twigs because we have shrubs and bushy herbs there.
Why are you not reading the question? Read the question again. Which layer is inhibited by herbs and shrubs? Herbs and shrubs.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm reading forest floor.
So,
It's being forest floor.
so carefully.
Forest floor.
I'm reading 3 times, and then also not listening. This forest floor. Now the next exercise. Write true or false. Correct the false statement by changing the first or the last word. So here the first one, decomposer are biotic component of an ecosystem. Yes. Who will tell this? Sadia. Yes, Sadia, you tell me. Sadia.
First, decomposers are biotic components of ecosystem.
Yes, what?
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Now the next one. Omnivores. Omnivores are organisms. Omnivores are organisms that break down the dead and decaying organic matter. Yes, Shema. Who asked? Shema asked. Okay, tell me. Yes. Yes, for the next question. Omnivores are organisms that break down the dead and decaying organic matter. Raise your hand.
Ma'am, should I tell?
I asked from Shema, I think so. Shema, am I not audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next one. Yes.
Ma'am, second one or third one?
Second.
Okay. Omnivores are organisms that break down the dead and decaying organic matter. Ma'am, this is false.
False. And how to correct it?
Ma'am, we'll cut omnivores and write detrivores.
Detrivores. Okay. Decomposers also you can write.
Yes, ma'am, we'll write decomposers.
Yes. Anyway, to next one. Yes, next. Fatma Zafar, you tell me the next one. Consumers help keep the environment clean and bring out recycling of nutrients.
Yes, ma'am, it is true.
Is it true? Consumer help keep the environment clean and bring out recycling of the nutrient. Consumer and the consumer.
Ma'am, should I tell? No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you
Ma'am,
can.
it is decomposers. It will be
Yes.
false. It will be decomposers and
Yes, detrivores and decomposers can be. Okay, anyway. Now the next, the following, the energy flow along. Yes, the next should be told by. Okay. And the next is the energy flow along a food chain and the number of individuals at each level gradually decreases as we go higher up. Okay, tell me. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, this is false. It will be the energy flow along a pyramid of number.
The energy flow along a food chain and the number of individuals of each level gradually decreases as we go higher up. Just listen carefully, or you can read also. Read again and just then you tell me.
Ma'am, I tell?
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
One by one, only one can be tell. One is asking and then another is asking. After asking, when I allow, you just give the answer. Quickly tell me, yes, Shema. Shema, are you telling? Abdul Awwal, are you here in the class? Abdul Awwal, are you? Okay. Then tell me the fourth one. Is it true and false, or true or false?
don't know what you are taking because I have joined just now because I
Okay.
was not able to join.
Okay. Mohiba, you tell me. Mohiba, you also rejoin, I think, now only. Mohiba, the fourth one. Ukasha. Ukasha. Ukasha, am I audible to you? Ukasha. Yes.
Ma'am, mic is.
Yes, Mike.
Yes, ma'am, his mic is not working. That is why he is writing. Ma'am, mic is not working.
Whose? Whose? Ukasha's mic is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway. So, who will tell Dua? Dua, you tell me.
Ma'am, it's true.
It's true, yes. The number of organisms decreases as we go higher up. This is true. The next one, rhizobium is a parasite. Rhizobium is a parasite. Ammar Zahid, you tell me. Is it true or false? Yes, Ammar.
Yes, ma'am, true. Ma'am, it's true.
Rhizobium is a parasite.
Mic is.
Yes, okay.
My mic is.
Okay, tell me quickly.
Ma'am, it is false and it will be tapeworm is a parasite.
Okay, tapeworm is a parasite, or you can say rhizobium is
Ma'am, we can also write rhizobium is a
symbiont.
symbiote.
Yes.
Yes.
Rhizobium is symbiont. We can write that also. And better is that only means rhizobium. Just write rhizobium is a symbiont. Anyway, now move to the next exercise, that is choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Here some options are given and you have to choose the correct one from it. So plants absorb energy and convert into energy. Which energy it is absorb and in which it is converted? So just raise your hand. Okay, Ammar, you raise hand now. You tell me. Ammar, yes, correct answer of this question. Yes.
Ma'am, solar energy to chemical energy.
Okay. And okay, here so the plant absorbs solar energy and then chemical. Okay, you told in one word only. Okay, it's okay, correct. Now the next one, consumer consists of animals that feed on plants. Fatma Zafar, you tell me now.
Yes, ma'am. The second one is primary consumers consist of animals that feed on plants.
Yes, very good. Now the next is live in the gut, derive nutrition from man. Which one is live in the gut of and derive nutrition from man? Hmm. Yes. Dua, you tell me.
Ma'am, to whom are you asking?
Dua, dua,
Ma'am, it's
dua.
Ma'am, tapeworm live in our gut that nutrition from man.
Yes.
Tapeworm.
Yes, definitely tapeworm only. Now the next one. Yes, next one in be. Yes, Munazza, you tell me. The next fourth one.
Camels live in desert, whereas seals live in free freezing conditions.
Yes. Camels live in the desert, whereas seals live in freezing conditions. Now the next is woody climbers called blank climb on trees to reach the sunlight. So
Matter?
Nabiha, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the fifth one will be woody climbers called vines climb on trees to reach the sunlight.
Okay. Now the next is temperate blank. Uh, Abdullah, will you tell me now? Abdullah? Yes. Tell me the sixth one.
Evergreen.
Yes. They said their all leaves once are air. So they leave means they shade the leaves once in a year. So they are what? Evergreen or deciduous?
Evergreen.
Evergreen. If they shed all their leaf at one time, then also evergreen. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, should I tell? Ma'am,
Okay.
should I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am, it is deciduous.
Yes, it is deciduous.
Temperate deciduous forest contains
Temperate
trees that
deciduous
shed all their
forest.
leaves once a year.
Now the next exercise, choose the odd one out and give a reason for your choice.
Now I tell first one.
Okay.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, first one I tell.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am.
Let me mute all. Okay. Yes, Munaza, you tell me. Yes, Munaza.
Okay, ma'am. So the first one, yes, ma'am. So the first one will be bacteria because the rest are abiotic components.
Yes. And now the next one is producer, consumer, temperature, and decomposer. Here, Fatma Zafar, yes, you tell me. Second one. Fatma Zafar, am I audible to you? Fatma Zafar, am I audible to you, beta? No. Munazza, you tell me then. Which one is odd one out? Yes, tell me. Munazza. Okay, sorry, I have not unmuted you.
All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. From the next one, producers, consumers,
Sorry. Yes. Now you unmute you again, please.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am. I'm really sorry. So, ma'am, it will be the second one, right? So, ma'am, it will be temperature because
Yes.
the rest all are again they are biotic components and also they are biotic components. Yes, ma'am. Temperature is abiotic.
Yes, correct. Very good. Now the next is the third one. Okay, Ammar Zahid, you tell me the third one. Ammar, you tell me.
Now, me to do also.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, water.
Water. Yes, of course. Why? The reason the human, plant and lion, they are biotic component and water is abiotic component. Now the next one, that is pine, spruce, mahogany, fir. So in this, Mahogany is the odd one out. Okay.